You know what I think surprises a lot of the visitors to Sedona is that a lot of them come for the hiking, to be outside. And what they discovered when they were here was so much more.
We're not left and right-brained, we're both. And the artistic side is one and the scientific side is another. So it all balances itself out in Sedona.
The lighting is so amazing. It's like the Grand Canyon, but upright. And you just have so much to paint.
This community totally embraces the arts and the artist. Just the energy here is amazing.
We also play a role in social change and how we view life as people and what the arts can do to change a mind or to change a heart. And that's what I see performing arts as being.
We realize how powerful the beauty of this land is, and we must step on it with respect.
We have visitors showing up because of the land. The wine industry is an art form that has enabled people to have a connection to that land.
We don't even like to trim the trees too much because we want it to look more natural and not so manicured and let it be what it is, And for me, that's like the soul of this area, is respecting it and working with it.
Artists are extremely entrepreneurial and creative in so many ways, and that's what's made Sedona even better.
I'll run across people that took my classes 20-some years ago, and I say, I'll give you a do-over because I'm a much better teacher now than I was 22 years ago.
It's just a good spirit in Sedona, I think. A very positive, good spirit. That's what I think. So there.